Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have new coupons, we have glitches, sales, and a 5 off 25. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, we do have new clearance markdowns and a penny list for this week at Dollar General. I've already uploaded that video, so if you missed it, it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, also, Dollar General decided to give us a wonderful surprise this week, and we do have a 5 off $25 coupon that we can use all week long. So this is a digital coupon. Everybody should have this on their account, so definitely go ahead and clip it. And then we also received a separate 5 off $25 coupon for this Saturday. So again, both of those are digital coupons, so make sure that you go ahead and clip both of those to your accounts, because you know your girl's going to have some amazing deals to share with you all. And I also wanted to point out that both of these coupons are also printing on the bottom of our receipt. Now, I was a little bit worried Saturday because I did not get to go out and do any 5 off $25 scenarios, but I ran in this morning, did a couple of quick little deals, and both the 5 off 25 for this week and the one for Saturday, both of those are printing off on the bottom of our receipt. So if you need some extra 5 off $25 coupons, don't forget about those. Now, you might want to make sure that you have a couple of those 5 off $25 paper coupons anyways, because we have this deal coming up. It is not going to start until October the 12th and run through October the 14th. But we should be receiving a digital coupon on our accounts. I'm assuming it's going to be a DG store coupon, but we'll just have to wait and see. But either way, this deal is going to be spend 40 on Gain, Tide, Downy, Bounce, Febreze, Dawn, Cascade, Mr. Clean, or Microban products, and save $10 on your next purchase. Now, some of you guys may remember we had a similar promotion maybe a month or two ago with the P&G products. I want you guys to keep in mind that every time we get this promotion, things act differently. So make sure that you all stay tuned. You know, I'm going to go out and try out some deals for us, and I will report back and let you all know what works and what doesn't work. All right, now moving on into the next deal, we also have a buy one, get one free sale on our Halloween decor items this week. This sale is going to run through October the 12th. Now, we did have a 2 off 10 DG store coupon for our Halloween decor items. However, that seemed to have magically disappeared from my account, at least. So y'all please check your accounts and let me know in the comment section if you still have this 2 off 10 Halloween DG store coupon. Now, if you do, you're going to get in on some really good deals. And I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Tessa for sending in this amazing deal right here. She picked up 4 boxes of the Halloween lights, normally $3.50 each, but between the sale and that 2 off 10 coupon, Tessa paid only $5 for 4 boxes. So again, huge shout out and thank you to Tessa for sending in that deal. Now let's talk about some coupons and glitches. So here we have this coupon. It is $10 off when you purchase one of the Gain Flings and one of the fireworks and one of the fabric softeners and one of the dryer sheets. On the coupon, it does state that you have to purchase all 4 products in order to get the $10 coupon off. However, this coupon is glitching, and if you want to pick up 4 of the Gain Flings or 4 of the fireworks or 4 of the fabric softener or 4 of the dryer sheets, it will work and you will pay $10 for all 4 items. Now, that was just one coupon matchup and one glitch, but in this video, we are going to be taking a look at tons and tons and tons of really awesome coupon matchups, low out-of-pocket deals, and we have glitches scattered throughout this video. So instead of kind of walking you all through each and every deal, I'm going to turn on a little music and I will be back with you all here in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second. I know that this video is a lot to take in because it is literally jam-packed full of really awesome deals, low out of pocket, glitches, you name it, it's in here. So if you need to go back and watch the video all over again, feel free to do that. And you can also speed up the video or slow it down to your liking by clicking up in the top right hand corner. You should see a little gearbox or 3 dots. Click on that and then choose playback speed. You can speed it up or slow it down. But no matter what you do, make sure that you stick around because I have more crazy amazing deals to share with you all. And like I said at the beginning of the video, we have a 5 off 25 that we can use all week long. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day and I will see you on the next one.